Our top story, retired police officer and lawyer activist YP Singh has slammed Arvind Kejriwal, saying he has been suppressing a mega scam starring Sharad Pawar, his nephew Ajit Pawar and daughter Supriya Sule, linked to the controversial hill town of Lavasa being built near Pune. The former top cop has alleged that land meant for the Krishna Valley irrigation project was given away for almost free to Lake City Corporation, which is building Lavasa. Supriya Sule and husband owned 20% in Lake City Corporation. YP Singh claims that Ajit Pawar violated the Supreme Court's orders by not auctioning the land.
आरोप नंबर 1, 348 एकड़ जमीन जिसका सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश के हिसाब से ऑक्शन होना चाहिए था, वो अजीत पवार में लगभग मुफ्त में उन लोगों, शरद पवार की जो बेटी है उनका जहां पे 21% शेयर था और उनके निकट के लोगों का शेयर था, उनको लगभग मुफ्त में दे दी। एलिगेशन नंबर 2, इसको आगे बढ़ा, ये जमीन जो है कृष्णा वैली के डेवलपमेंट के लिए दी थी, इसको कमर्शियल यूज अलाउड नहीं था। रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट के नोट में ये लिखा हुआ है, वो कैसे हुआ?
ये चीफ मिनिस्टर का अधिकार था, अनफॉर्चुनेटली ही इज नो मोर। चीफ मिनिस्टर का अधिकार था। चीफ मिनिस्टर ने यह तय किया कि मैं खुद प्रोजेक्ट विजिट करूंगा, देखूंगा और वहाँ जो कोई समस्या है इस पर सुनवाई करूंगा। तो उन्होंने मेरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में चीफ मिनिस्टर आए थे, मेरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में प्रोजेक्ट था, इसलिए मैं वहाँ जरूर था और वहाँ सीएम साहब ने अपने ऑफिसरों के साथ बातचीत की। इसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं है, इससे ज़्यादा बोलना ठीक नहीं है क्योंकि ये मामला कोर्ट में है, आज सब जुडिस है। Subjudice matter पर इससे ज़्यादा बोलना ठीक नहीं है।
Now, of course, the Pawar family is not the only ones which YP Singh has targeted. He also targeted Arvind Kejriwal. He called him Adolf Hitler. Singh said he was compelled to go public today because Mr. Kejriwal had failed to expose Sharad Pawar.
और इससे आप खुद ही जज करेंगे कि इससे हजारों गुना बड़ा स्कैम, वो इरिगेशन स्कैम, उसके तथ्य उन्होंने मीडिया में सविस्तार नहीं रखे और जो एक छोटा सा केस है जिसमें कानूनी त्रुटियां हैं, ये केस को है उन्होंने आगे बढ़ाने का किया। इससे जो है मुझे लगता था कि ये मेरा कर्तव्य बनता है कि जब इतना बड़ा एक राजनेता इसमें इन्वॉल्व है तो ये जनता के समक्ष ये रखना जरूरी है। मेरे ख्याल से केजरीवाल जी फिलहाल जो है इस तरह से पॉलिटिक्स नहीं की जाती है। मुझे ये कहना देश बर्बाद हो रहा है, ये हिटलर ने किया था जर्मनी में। उन्होंने कहा था जर्मनी तबाह हो रहा है, तबाह हो रहा है, तबाह हो रहा है, तबाह हो रहा है, मुझे लाओ। और उसके बाद जर्मनी का क्या हुआ वो आप लोग देख रहे हैं।
Of course, Team Kejriwal responded immediately. Manish Sisodia, the right hand of Arvind Kejriwal, spoke to the media soon after.
शरद पवार जी के ऊपर बहुत तरह के भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप हैं और आज हम वाईपी सिंह जी को बधाई देते हैं कि उन्होंने बहुत पॉइंट टू पॉइंट तरीके से इस मुद्दे को उठाया है कि शरद पवार जी किस तरह से लवासा जमीन घोटाले में शामिल रहे हैं या उनकी क्या भूमिका रही है। हम उनको बधाई देते हैं।
Well, joining us from Mumbai, we have Sanjay Jha, from the founder of HamaraCongress.com. We also have my colleague from Pune, Imtiaz Jalil, who has been tracking the entire Lavasa scam very closely, and my colleague from Delhi, Aanchal Vora, who has been tracking Team Kejriwal and Team Anna, of course, for a long time too. Let me start with you, Sanjay. The allegations against the Pawar family in this particular case has been of word of mouth actually earlier. It's been hearsay more or less. But now he says that I have produced evidence against the Pawar family, not just Supriya Sule, not just Ajit Pawar, but also the fact that why was Sharad Pawar, who is the Minister of Agriculture, why did he attend a meeting and chair a meeting regarding matters regarding to Maharashtra? So the allegations are pretty serious, but of course they are not new. Sanjay.
Yep, Tejas, first things first. Number one, it's pretty obvious that there is at the moment a big war going on between activists. One, well, former activist turned political party. The other one is Mr. YP Singh himself. Now, they're all accusing each other of selective targeting of whoever they want to attack or malign. Now, that's something that will have to be seen as a public spectacle that must play itself out. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal being called an Adolf Hitler or somebody who is actually, going after people that suits him politically is, I think, no longer a big secret.
Right.
As far as Lavasa is concerned, this is again a matter where the central
fighting against activists. That may be right.
Absolutely. In fact, I went on record, Tejas, I went on record to tell yesterday that I thought the whole issue of Mr. Ajay Sancheti's connection with Nitin Gadkari was severely downplayed by Arvind Kejriwal, but we'll discuss that some other time. As far as YP Singh's allegations are concerned today, on Lavasa, let me tell you that the central government itself asked very severe questions. There were strictures which actually delayed the entire project, if I'm not mistaken, completely scuttled their plans of doing an IPO that Lavasa had planned. And those were severe strictures in terms of environmental violations. Now, the other question in terms of whether the land was given at a different price, at what cost did the original promoters, according to him, cashed out. These are things that at some point will be a part of an inquiry. And, as the matter is currently in the public domain, I don't think there's anything new being said by anybody. Regarding Nitin Gadkari, regarding Lavasa, everything has been documented. It's in newspapers, it's in television channels. It's a question of how quickly an inquiry takes us to its logical conclusion. But the fundamental point I would like to bring back to what the Prime Minister has been saying for a long time, right, and that is that the public-private partnership, and wherever you have natural resources, particularly land being given to private developers or manufacturers or anybody else on the private sector, that requires greater scrutiny. Perhaps an RTI Act will be a big asset there.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.